If you want to create a lock-on effect inside of Adobe After Effects, then here is how you do that. So once you've got your footage, you want to figure out what you want to track. So in my example, as you can see, I'm moving my head around. This is going to be the thing that I'm going to track. So I'm probably going to use my nose or the nostrils as the tracking point. So I'm going to scroll through to the very beginning. I'm going to go to Window and make sure Tracker is enabled. And I'm just going to select Stabilize Motion. Then I'm just going to zoom in on that track point and I'm just going to increase the size of this. Then I'm just going to move this X, and you want this to be positioned somewhere where there is contrast. That's why I've chose the nostril. Because of the light that was cast from above, there's shadows in my nostril, which means this is black and this is a different color. It's a lighter color. So there's contrast. If I placed it there, it's just going to wiggle around all over the place and it will fail. So once you've done that, just press play and let After Effects analyze, but you'll notice it has failed very quickly. So if that is the case, then just go through frame by frame and just make that adjustment every time that drifts. Alternatively, if it is having a really hard time keeping up, then it might be worth considering a different tracking point. But there you go. Once you've done that, you can now just go to Apply, press OK on this. And now when we play this back, you'll notice that the face is now in the center of the video. The problem is though, the video is moving around and we can see the black edges of the frame appearing in the shot. So there's a few ways of fixing this. We could literally just go into Transform, Scale, and just zoom in. And that gets rid of it. If we move the position over, then that just completely gets rid of that for us. However, we are zooming in and therefore losing quality. So rather than doing that, we can go into Effects, search for Motion Tile, drop that onto our video. And then in the Effect Controls panel on the left, we want to go to Output Width, change this to 200, Output Height 200, and enable Mirror Edges. And now you can see it's mirrored that edge. So it's filled in that edge with a mirror of the shot. Of course, it is very obvious at this moment in time that it is mirrored. So if we enable the motion blur, that should help to hide that a little bit. But if it's still really obvious, then don't be afraid to scale in just a little bit. So when we play this back from the beginning, you can see we've got the face perfectly tracked into the center of the frame and the rest of the shot is moving around. So that is how you would do the lock-on track effect inside of Adobe After Effects. Thank you ever so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate your support and hopefully I will see you on the next video. See you there.